Welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe based on what was one of my favourite spreads, Nutella, which I used to love, but of course when I got diabetes I cut that out because it's loaded with sugar, and also as a vegan it does contain milk products which I don't want to have either. And even though Nutella is sort of marketed as a healthy spread, it's not really that healthy. So I'm going to show you a version that is really healthy. And it does have the essence of Nutella about it. So for this I'm going to use roasted chickpeas. And you can check out my video on how to do roasted chickpeas. You could use hazelnuts, of course, which are also really healthy, but if you are allergic to nuts or you don't like nuts, or you want like a really child-friendly version and also something that is packed with protein that will keep you satisfied and fuller for a lot longer, then chickpeas is actually a really good alternative to nuts as well. So to that I'm adding 1/3 cup of almond milk, or any plant-based milk is fine. So just blend that until it's fairly smooth. So you just want to see what it looks like now. So it's like a bit of a paste now. Okay, so now we add the other ingredients. So we've got cacao powder for the chocolate element. So I'm putting about 2.5 tablespoons of that in. And we have vanilla extract, so I'll put a tablespoon of that in. And that, it sounds like a lot, but it gives a really nice, smooth, rounded flavour. It goes well with the cacao. And then for sweetness, you could use maple syrup or coconut syrup. Coconut syrup is lower GI than maple, so it's a really good choice. It won't spike your blood sugars. Or you can use a combination, whatever you prefer. So I might just use a bit of both, so about 1/2 tablespoon of each of these. So there, it's made a paste. If you think it's a bit dry, you can always add a little more milk or a little bit of water, and you can blend it more if you want a more smoother texture. But that's basically it. And of course it's not exactly like Nutella, but it's a really good alternative, and as I said, it is very healthy, and it's great on toast or on desserts, or just eat it like this as a snack. It's really nice. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.